Hello, I'm here today to talk to you about the Sharp Freeze Freezer SJF1526E01EN. This is an amazing appliance with quite large dimensions, as you can see. The delivery service was very professional. They phoned us half an hour before, telling that they would deliver in half an hour, and they unpack it and the fridge freezer, and they brought it into our house. Trying to bring the fridge freezer into our kitchen, we have quite a standard size door, 29 inches width the door, and we couldn't bring the fridge freezer in. We had to take the door and part of the door frame so we could bring the fridge freezer into the kitchen. But was something that easily was put back. The door was put back straight away, and the door frame the same. So was even if was we were a little bit surprised that wouldn't be able to go through a standard size door, but was resolved reasonably quick. We realized that probably because the floor is not leveled, we had to use the adjustment because the feet in the fridge freezer is adjustable, so we put it on the at the same level. We let the fridge freezer to rest. We didn't plug it straight away as recommended by Sharp. We left it a couple of hours to rest, and this is required so we do not damage the compressor, and after this time we plugged it in. As soon as we plug the fridge freezer in, this is the LCD displays. This is what shows. As you can see, shows 3 independent zones with different temperatures set up. I was pleasantly surprised that they treat the 3 different areas individually, because this increases the flexibility that we have how we want to use the fridge freezer. Now I would like to show you the fridge freezer. So this is the fridge compartment. As you can see, it's quite large, spacious, and allows good organization and segregation of the food by type. It has 3 big shelves, has a chiller drawer that is recommended for meat and fish, and has 2 drawers for fruit and vegetables. As an interesting fixture here, that is the crisper that increases the airflow, allowing your vegetables and fruit to be kept fresher for longer. It's called the crisper. You have 2 doors. It comes with 2 eggs holder. Very clean, spacious, allowing good segregation. I think that as a good investment, this fridge freezer, a lot of space. Now the 2 freezers are exactly the same. They have 1 shelf each, and they have 2 drawers, and they have the ice makers come with 2, and very spacious too. And I would like to mention once again the possibility and the flexibility that this fridge freezer gives you, having the 3 independent zones, because this the fridge compartment, you can set it up with temperatures with a range between 2 and 8 degrees, and the freezers can be set up between -16 to -24. I would like to talk to you now about some of the features that this fridge freezer offers you. I would like to start talking about the Q-Drink feature. The Q-Drink is a feature that when you want to put some drinks in the freezer, and so often we put the drinks and we forget about it, this will show a clock with increments of 5 minutes, and if you set up, for example, 20 minutes, what will happen is that it will beep after 20 minutes, allowing you not to forget about the drink. And hopefully with this fixture is going to be the end of the burst bottles in the freezer, because we forgot about them after leaving them in the freezer. There is other features. You have economic mode that sets the ideal temperature, saving energy. You have a holiday mode that if you do not require, if you are going to be away for some time and you do not require the fridge, you set up in the holiday mode, saving energy again. You have a quick cooling and quick freezing mode. That is when you go shopping and you want to cool down what is in the freezer or in the fridge, you set up these fixtures and you'll get your shopping freeze or cold much quicker. Personally, my option, I would set my fridge as in an eco mode and saving energy. This fridge freezer offers you a child lock fixture and offers you a Nutri-Fresh mode. This Nutri-Fresh mode is interesting because would protect the flavor and the texture of the food by managing the temperature and the humidity in the fridge. So I think that this is quite a complete, offers you a big range of fixtures and opportunities. I would like to mention that the efficiency of this fridge freezer is A+, so good to save energy, good lines, good design, very clean. What I would say, offers a lot of space, segregation, allows you the segregation of the food per type. So I would recommend this fridge freezer to a friend. If you ask me what I feel that this fridge freezer could offer, I think that could offer a drinks dispenser that doesn't have, and ice crush would be nice. But I would recommend this fridge freezer to a friend, and I think that is good value for money. I hope that you find this review helpful, and see you next time.